Hi everyone, today here we are at SPAC Pneumatic exhibition stall, and SPAC has introduced a basic model to explain the pick and place mechanism. You know, there is in the lot of industry there is a demand of automation because the industry is going such a way. With the automation comes the cost, but at SPAC we want to explain that automation can be done at a low cost also. So this is a model explaining that how the basic pneumatic systems can be incorporated well to show that automation can be done at a very low cost to achieve lot of time. There is a misconception that automation needs lot of investment involved, but here at SPAC Pneumatic we are trying to explain you that with the basic pneumatic components you can easily do the automation at your factory. This is a pick and place arrangement shown where a product is being carried from one conveyor to the another conveyor. Use of basic pneumatic cylinders, grippers and a rotary actuator can only help you out with a basic automation. So do not worry about automation. Automation is not costly affair but a very low cost affair and can help you save a lot of man hours, can help you give the consistency and can help you increase your production at a very good price. Thank you.